Hello, I am Miss Schlee, and I will be your second grade teacher. And I am very excited to begin this unique year and get to see all of you. And I want to take you on a little tour of our classroom. As you can see, it is set up a little bit differently than you're used to. All of the desks are 6 feet apart. And you all have a book bin by your desk, and you have a bag to keep some extra supplies in. And they are Mickey and Minnie because I love Disney. So all of you will have that at your seat. I want to take you over here to something that's very, very important in my classroom. And this is our growth mindset bulletin board. Growth mindset means that you might not be able to do something yet, but with hard work, you will be able to. And everybody makes mistakes and we learn from them. And we will be talking a lot about that in our classroom. Here are some of our class dojo things. This is a clip chart where you'll be earning some things, and I will talk to you a little bit about that, and I think you're really gonna like that. Over here, we have some of our social distancing rules, which we will also talk about more when you are here. And we have a place for you to showcase all of the amazing work that you will do. And then finally, back here we have our focus wall, and this kind of just talks about what we're learning about, and we'll put some important reminders and things up there for you. And in our bathroom, we are very lucky that we have our own restroom, just like you did in first grade. So you don't have to leave the classroom in order to use the restroom. Now I'm going to switch over to a PowerPoint and kind of share some things with you that are very important, but I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Okay, as I said, I'm your teacher, Miss Schlee, and I am very excited to spend your second grade year with you. I just want to share some of the expectations of second grade. All of the second grade teachers have the same rules. They are follow directions quickly, raise your hand for permission to speak, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat, make smart choices, keep your dear learning community happy, and keep your eyes on the target. We'll be practicing those so you can remember them. Here's just a list of the supplies, and that I believe is able to be found online also. Mostly what I want to share about this is please label your supplies. Please have your child's name on all of the supplies that you bring in. You can also drop those off this week, or you can bring them with you on the first day of school. Okay, now this year is obviously different than it's been in the past. So all students are required to wear a mask all day and practice the social distancing. That's why our desks are 6 feet apart. And we are encouraging you to bring individual sized tissues and sanitizer to keep at your desk. Also, the water fountains will not be working this year, so please bring a water bottle with a sport top. So that it can't spill, and then we'll be sending that home in order to be washed. And I also encourage you to bring a seat cushion that can tie to your chair, because it is going to be a little uncomfortable to sit on those hard chairs all day. So we can make it a little more comfortable by bringing in a seat cushion. Homework, you are going to get homework in second grade, and an example of what your homework would look like is spelling. You could have a choice board to choose different activities for your spelling words, and then we will have a test for your spelling words on every Friday. Also, we will give you time in class to finish your math homework, but if you don't finish your math, then you'll have to do that for homework as well. And we are strongly encouraging you that you practice your math facts. If you have flashcards at home, or maybe mom or dad just want to ask you your facts when you're driving in the car or eating dinner, it's very important to know those addition and subtraction facts. And then reading, read each night. We just want you to read. Hopefully you choose something that you enjoy, something that might challenge you a little bit but not be too hard, but the choice is yours as to what you read each night. Okay, everybody is going to be getting an iPad this year, and your iPads will be taken home each night, and they need to be charged and returned every day. You're going to leave your charger at home, but remember to treat your iPad with care. So find a spot, a safe spot to charge it, and also be careful when you're transporting it back and forth between school and home. Class Dojo. Parents and students love Class Dojo. Class Dojo is a way that we track student points. You can earn them for good behavior, and you can also lose them if you don't make a smart choice. But what's really awesome, as I showed you earlier, is in my classroom, you can earn belts for Class Dojo, just like you would in karate or taekwondo. And you get a little bracelet when you belt up each time. And also, parents can contact me through Class Dojo, and it goes immediately to my phone. And if I send you a message, you can have it set up so it'll go to your phone also. And it's very easy. Also, it's kind of like a little bit of a Facebook page where I can share some of the great things that your child is doing and some pictures. And that way we can communicate. So like I said, Class Dojo is the best way to reach me, but here's my email address also and my phone number. If you call my phone during the school day, it will go directly to voicemail. So if it's an emergency, please call the office at extension 2000 and leave a message. Reminders, in your homework folder, there's going to be homework for mom or dad. And that is a student info form to be returned to me by September 18th. Also, I'm asking you to sign up for Class Dojo and to label all of your supplies. So kids, all the homework is for your parents this time. All right, if you ever have any questions or concerns or comments, please feel free to contact me. Once you sign up for Class Dojo, you can contact me there, email. I know that this year is unprecedented and we're all going to be in this together, and we'll keep our communication open to make it a very successful year. All right, so I just want to take one more opportunity to say I am so excited to see you, and I will see you next week.